Hi, everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And one of my favorite crypto traders is back with me as a guest. He used to be a guest many years ago, and now he's back again. And we're going to be talking about our favorite altcoins. Which altcoins would we buy next? Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, upvote, and comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, come over to BitTube. You can also find me on Bitchute and on Lbry.tv and also on Odyssey.com. Join my official Telegram announcements channel, and please do follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT.
Tokenmetrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Hey, Afzal, thank you so much for making yourself available.
Hi, Crypto Rich. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. It's great to be here and good to see you.
Yes. And if there's anybody who is here now and you were subscribing to this channel in 2017 and 2018, you may recall that Afzal would come on my channel. We do TA. We talked about Electronium. We talked about Spectre and other coin projects that we're interested in. Afzal runs a really great trading channel. And do you want to say a little bit about your trading channel? And
yeah, absolutely.
Have the links in the description below, Afzal.
Yeah, so I have a trading channel for Spectre traders, so people who trade on Spectre platform. We have a bunch of great traders sharing signals, and we basically trade Forex. I also have another dedicated channel just for Forex, not for shorter trades. And I also have a crypto group. So I'm doing three things at the same time. If you want to link my Telegram link, you can my channel link. I'll give you my channel, so you can put that in the description, so you can join and take a look. It's a free channel, so if you're trading on Spectre and you want to have trading signals for free for life, you can just join, and happy to help out.
Very good. Well, I will have that. And for people, just so it's really clear, when Afzal said Spectre, trading on Spectre, he's talking about Spectre.ai, which is the project launched by Kay Kamani and his team. And the tokens are SXDT and SXUT. And Afzal and I are both holders of SXDT. And Spectre AI, they run a trading platform 24/7 for trading FX. And I think also you can trade cryptocurrencies on there as well.
Yes, right? You can. But right now, mostly it's Forex. So you can do all your Forex majors, Forex minors. They've also got some futures now. And it's a great platform to trade. So we've been trading with them since a couple of years, and very happy.
Yes, very good. Okay, good. And then the other thing that you do is cryptocurrency trading. And this is a really exciting time to be trading in cryptocurrency, because you can only really make money. It's going to be exactly. You've got to be responsible and stuff, but it's so easy to make money in the bull market.
Absolutely. No, I totally agree. I think the best strategy right now, or the whole bull market, is to buy and hold, hodl. That's the easiest. You can be the best trader. You can make multiple gains, multiple excess of gains by just hodling your coins. You don't really have to do leverage trading. I don't really recommend people doing leverage trading. If you're new to trading, you have not enough experience, just get the best picks, get the best calls, and just hodl, hold your coins. Of course, do your own research. You've got to know what you're buying into, but don't FOMO in as well. that's something else. But hold on to your coins. So that's all you need to do in the bull market.
Absolutely. And also, while you do trading for a living, professional trading for a living, I run my channel for a living, and I'm actually going back to doing child protection social work for a living because of the third lockdown. But I do trade, and I want to make mention, I'm using a couple of trading bots. One is coinwool.io, and the other is shrimpy.io. And the shrimpy one's been working out really well lately, where I think January the 30th, I put in a 20th of a Bitcoin, and that 20th of a Bitcoin today is worth 0.124 of a Bitcoin. And it's set and forget. I'm just following a couple of traders, and it may be something so you want to have a look at. My link will be in the description.
Definitely, I'll take a look at that. Yeah, for sure. Sounds very interesting. Thank you.
Yes. Now, what Afzal and I are going to be talking about, we've actually been talking for an hour before we started recording. So should we do the video, right? Which altcoins would we buy next?
Right.
And it's not guaranteed that I would go and buy these altcoins, but these are the ones that I'm thinking about. And Afzal's going to talk about the altcoins that he would buy next if he were to buy any. Now, of course, none of this is investment advice. We are not saying that you should mortgage your house, your partner, your children, all your worldly goods to put money into any coin or token that comes out of our mouth. You got to check it out for yourself.
Very true.
Okay,
Absolutely. Do your research. Don't FOMO in, as I said.
that's right. Do
And
not FOMO in.
if you like something, you only then you buy. Don't buy something where you hear from people and somebody says buy that. Buy. No, you got to do your own research. Find out what it is. If you like it, then you buy it. But we give you what we like,
Yeah.
so you can start. Crypto Rich.
And,
Love to hear
well,
your.
I feel no, there's something else about that, right? Which don't just buy something that you don't know anything about.
Exactly. Yeah.
Certainly not like a substantial amount. You might want to throw, I don't know, $10 or something, or $30. But the other thing is, don't buy anything that you're not going to follow. I've had experiences where I've bought into particular cryptocurrencies, bought the tokens, not done anything about staying in touch with what's happening with that project. So then I've missed things like hard forks, or where they've done token swaps, or I've just not kept up to date. I've missed staking opportunities. So unless you're really going to stay involved with the project and stay informed, I wouldn't have it as a long-term.
Yes, it's very important to do that. And a lot of people, when they buy into 30, 40 altcoins, they're just kind of gambling, which is not good, because what you need to do is you need to get, this is my opinion anyways, and this is how I would approach it. Your altcoin portfolio should be more than about 7 or 8. And even that is a lot, because you have to follow each of them. And the best way to follow them is actually go onto their Telegram channels, follow them on Twitter, and look at what they're doing. Got to see if there's any activity happening. Are they updating on things? Is there any developments going on? Are they following the roadmap? You got to follow all of that. If things don't work out, you can always have an option to, buy something else, exchange that to either Bitcoin or Ethereum. I've made that mistake back in 2017, where I've held on to some coins which I had no idea. And when the bear market came, no sign of them. they just closed the shop, literally. So you got to know what they're doing, because every project needs to have that fundamental base, a foundation needs to be there.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Read the white paper all the time. And
I do have more than 7 or 8 altcoins, but there's something else.
I think you're following them. Probably you're following them closely.
Well, I'm connected to a lot of projects.
Yeah.
So I hold Morpheus Network, but then I speak to Dan Weinberger at Morpheus regularly. I hold SXDT, but then I'm in touch with Kay. All the BPS8, I don't hold all their coins and tokens, but I'm in touch with those projects. I hold Tube coins. I'm in touch with
Makes
BitTube.
total sense. Yeah, that's all you need. You need to be in touch with them. You need to follow what's going on, and do not risk more than you can afford to lose, because even with such projects which have very good fundamentals, things may not work out. It's just the crypto market is that way. The wind blows, sometimes on one side, the other just goes from place to place. There's no guarantee that it's gonna really work out as a sure shot. So
okay, all right. Well, with that warning really clear for people, right? Do you want to start? You're gonna 3 altcoins that you're thinking of buying.
Yes. So I have been. I actually bought one that I'm going to talk about now. It's called Prosper. So the ticker is PROS. Now, as you guys know, Binance ecosystem, Binance Smart Chain is really, really hot, trending right now. And me, since I love trading and I love markets, I put 2 and 2 together. So Binance has actually put this project called Prosper in their innovation zone. It's already listed on Binance. You can trade on Binance as well. And it's very low cap. It used to be low cap, not anymore. Now it's moving up, because now it's already 4x just in the last few days. So I think it's still got a lot of growth. It's still got a lot of growth. It's ranking about 400 something. You want to share your screen, or I can do that too?
You can share your screen.
Yeah, I can do that. Sure. So
what does it do?
So prediction markets. So if you can see my screen right now. So it's a non-custodial. So basically you're trading on Binance Smart Chain, decentralized way, and you make money based on your prediction. So if you say the market is going to go up or down, you put your money into it, and the best thing about this is you can do it directly from your wallet and on Binance Smart Chain. So there's no fees. So like on Ethereum, on let's say projects like Hedgic or other ones like prediction markets projects.
Chainlink.
Chainlink is Oracle, but like Hedgic is one of them. There are some other ones as well. But on Ethereum, what happens is when you interact with MetaMask, there's a lot of fees.
Yeah.
The ETH fees are so high, very, very high right now. But on Binance Smart Chain, it's barely like 5 cents, 10 cents. So this is why I'm very bullish. And they have partnership with Chainlink, because Chainlink provides all the data. So Chainlink is this big oracle, which is giving them the price feeds and everything. So Chainlink is doing that to Prosper's smart contract. And then the user interacts with MetaMask. They make a prediction into the smart contract. Chainlink feeds the data, and you win or lose is based on that. So it's a fantastic idea, and I think it's very much needed. I think it's going to do really well. I've mentioned that it went up. Let's look at the price. So right now it's at $7.40. I looked at it first when it was 30 cents. It was 30 cents. It was not on Binance. It was on Uniswap. And I was a bit wary of Uniswap, although I liked the idea of it on Binance Smart Chain, but it was not listed on Binance. But when it got listed on Binance, the price just shot up to $2. And I put my money in. So you can see the price performance in the last 14 days. So we were around $2.30. This was like last couple of weeks ago. And now it went all the way up to $8.30. And now it's taken a little bit of a dip. I think the whole market
That's still a pretty steady chart. That's not a exponential growth or anything.
No, it's not exponential. Yeah, but so I can go a little bit further, and maybe this might look a little bit, because it was at 30 cents when it first came out. Right. I mean, but what's more important is to look at the market cap. It's only 30 million, and 30 million is nothing for prediction market. The competitor for Prosper, I would say, is Hedgic. So market cap of Hedgic is 147 million, and right now you cannot really do much on Hedgic because of the fees. Hedgic is again the same. So you can predict basically options trading, right? So you can do options trading. So as simple as that, you can do a put or a call. So on Ethereum, you put your strike price and then say how long you want to hold, and just connect with your wallet and buy and sell. But the problem is that it is expensive to trade on MetaMask. So that problem is actually solved by Prosper.
So I have a question, right? And I'd like us to keep moving, because the risk that we get too involved with these projects and the video becomes too long. I do want.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, we can keep moving ahead. Yeah.
I know if I buy Hedgic tokens, I don't have any. I can. Do you want to stop sharing, or I can keep them in my ETH wallet, in any ETH wallet, the Hedgic tokens. If I buy Binance tokens, which wallet do I hold them in? Can I hold them in the same address that I have my Binance?
Yeah, so Binance has its own dedicated wallet called Binance Chain Wallet. So you can add an extension onto your Chrome or anywhere. Yes, just like MetaMask, right? Okay. Or even on MetaMask. So on MetaMask, when you go down, there's Ethereum mainnet as your main server. You can choose Binance. You have to type it. Yeah, you can do that right on MetaMask. Or you can download Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So
because one of the things that I find off-putting, given that I have more than 7 or 8 altcoins, is all these bloody wallets, all these wallets, hundreds of wallets. I don't want hundreds of wallets. It's like, oh my God, all these seed phrases, millions of seed phrases in this coin and this chain and that chain. Okay, all right. So one of your picks that is Prosper. So let me say what one of my picks is, and then you can ask me a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
And for people who are regular subscribers to my channel, one of these will be a surprise to you, I think. If you're a recent subscriber, one of these will be a surprise. So I'm looking at getting some more Pirate Chain.
Yes.
Now
talking about Pirate Chain, I need to know more about Pirate Chain.
You need to know more about Pirate Chain, right? Yes. So I've been involved with this project. That's Electronium. Where is Pirate Chain? I got the chart. I've been involved with Pirate Chain for over 2 years, and Pirate Chain is the most secure and private of all the cryptocurrencies going.
Wow.
So no, you gotta challenge me. You gotta say, "Arey yaar, kya keh rahe yaar? Sach batao."
No, I understand.
Okay, so here's what I said, for those of you that aren't familiar with my tutti booty Urdu, right? It's like, what I said was, what do you mean? Come on, man, tell me the truth. What is this? I think that's a rough translation of my tutti frutti Urdu.
I
So
love the price chart. I love the price chart.
it's a good price chart, isn't it? Right. So I've been involved with Pirate Chain for a couple of years. It's a decentralized project. There's no team behind it. I mean, like no company, no dev fund. We don't even have dev fund, no team fund. Fair launch, proof of work coin. And what makes it the most private of all the cryptocurrencies is when you look on the blockchain, there is no data to analyze, nothing. Every single peer-to-peer transaction is made invisible by ZK Snarks.
Okay.
It has a higher anonymity set than Monero. So by anonymity set, if you think of a haystack, you've got to find a needle in a haystack, and the haystack, the size of the haystack is the size of the anonymity set. So while Monero has like I think an anonymity set of about 11 or 12 or something like that, right? Pirate Chain's anonymity set is much bigger. It's a much bigger haystack. And then also Monero uses ring signatures. So, you know, if I'm going to send you 10 Monero, that will go through, I think, 7 different wallets that are created, 7 fake wallets. That 10 Monero is split up, sent through seven different wallets, and then it arrives over at you. These are fake wallets, so it's hard to trace. With Pirate Chain, I send you Pirate Chain.
Yeah.
Nobody knows. There's no data. You can't look into my wallet. I can't look into your wallet. Only you and I know about the transaction. There's no data to analyze. Every single peer-to-peer transaction is invisible. And I once did a competition on my Twitter feed where I sent some pirate from one wallet of mine to another wallet of mine. And I said to people, here's the transaction ID. Tell me the address of the wallet it went from. Tell me the address of the wallet it went to. And tell me how much was sent. And you can have all of it. Nobody got it right. Nobody got it right. You can't work it out. There's no data.
There's not.
Now, the Mimblewimble coins, Grin and Beam, are like that. There's no data on their blockchain to analyze.
Yes.
But they're not secure. They are subjected to 51% attacks. With Pirate Chain, every 10 minutes, the transactions are notarized onto the Komodo blockchain, and they're notarized onto the Bitcoin blockchain. So to do a 51% attack on Pirate Chain, you need 51% of the Pirate Chain hashing power, 51% of the Komodo hashing power, 51% of the Bitcoin hashing power, and it just ain't worth it. So that's why it's secure.
Question on that. We've been hearing about exchanges trying to delist privacy coins. Is there a risk for private chain as well? Like how do you trade this if there's no exchanges to?
Yes. Well, there is that risk, and it is on some exchanges that don't require KYC, but it's a member of the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance, and these projects are working together. They have several dexes between them. Komodo has Atomic Dex.
Yeah.
Burstcoin have their BT Dex. Ergo are building a Dex. Turtle Network has a sort of hybrid sort of Dex, but you own your assets, and they're going to be integrating all the coins and tokens from the BPSA project. But also, there is the Komodo team are working on a decentralized semi-atomic swap service for Pirate Chain. So here's how that works. It's called Shirley. It's still in development. I'm going to send you 1,000 pirate coins, which the ticker symbol is R.
Okay.
But it's going to be anonymous peer-to-peer. So first I send you 100. You then send me the BTC. Then the next 100, and then I send you that, and you send me the next BTC. So each transaction depends upon the first transaction. It's all broken up into small transactions. Now, if you and I did that, it would take a very long time. Shirley automates the whole process. Wow. So you have decentralized, peer-to-peer, subatomic. It's not true atomic swaps.
Okay.
Right? So they're working on stuff like that.
Very nice. I'll give you a second pick. I'm very interested. I'm very keen on the second one. I've got, again, I can see the market right now having a little bit of a dip. So this could be a best time to actually, because I have been following this project for a long time.
Okay.
Should I reveal it?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell us your second bit.
Okay, let me share my screen as well. So the coin